Hey everyone, welcome back to Jacqueline's Jack Russell. Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest reversible pet bandana you've ever seen. And because they're reversible, they're the perfect scrap buster. The first thing you'll need to do is create a paper template. You can refer to the measurements in the description below to determine what size you will need. Since the dog I'm sewing for is between sizes, I'm making an 11 by 11 template by taping together 2 standard size pieces of copy paper. Once my paper is taped, I measure to ensure that it's 11 by 11, cut to size, and then I'll fold in half on the diagonal. Next, you'll want to measure a 2-inch opening on each side. When sewn, this will be the channel the collar slips through. Just snip those points off and your template is ready to use. You could cut this paper template in half and have 2 templates, but I prefer keeping it intact for more durability while cutting out my fabric pieces. To make a reversible bandana, take your 2 pieces of fabric and lay them on top of each other, right sides together, lining up all of the edges. Then carefully stitch across the top, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Trim thread tails and head to your iron so you can press open the top seam and then press under each edge of the collar channel opening a 1/4 inch. With seams and sides pressed, stitch along each collar channel edge. Clip threads, then fold your bandana in half, right sides together, and press with your iron. Only 2 steps left. Take your pressed bandana and stitch from the bottom edge of the collar channel opening all the way down and back up to the opposite side bottom channel opening. Pivot at the point to get a nice sharp V. Clip threads and trim the point to reduce bulk. Turn your bandana right side out, then using a chopstick or pen, poke out the point to make a nice sharp tip. Give your bandana a final press. And here's a pressed bandana. All that's left is to stitch straight across the top, creating the collar channel opening. Check out the finished product. It's got a nice 2-inch wide channel to feed the collar through. It's party on the front and business on the back. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing so you won't miss our upcoming sewing tutorials, which include dog jackets, harnesses, collars and leashes, and dog boots. Thank you for watching.